Good evening, friends. In the last video, we covered very clearly up to 268 programs. Now, in today's session, let me talk about the next program. What we have here is 269. So, what is the title of this program? Prime number buses. Okay, title itself is very simple. So maybe it is related to the prime number program, sir. So prime number buses. James wants to travel by the bus to reach his friend's John's house. Okay. So he need to go to that particular John's house by using these buses. Sir. 1 minute. So John gave a hint. Okay, John gave a hint. Okay, that all buses from Sir James' location will reach to his home if the bus number is prime number. Okay, suppose assume you want to reach to your friend house. So assume it is a city. So today also I faced some issue. Sir, suddenly I went to Chennai today morning because of some small function in my relative's house. Sir, actually I need to shift to sir main bus stand to main bus stand to some other place. So there are n number of buses are there, and I don't know. I know how to speak Tamil, but I don't know how to read the Tamil sentences. But majority of the time they have I have observed that every bus is labeled with Tamil only. Okay, then I made a call to my relative, and I asked that bus number. Sir, he said three numbers. So if any one of these bus came, then please take that bus and come to house. Okay, like that he has given some instructions. In the same way here also. Okay, sir, John gave a hint. All the bus numbers, all the buses from James location, sir, will reach his home. So when if the bus number is prime, so write a program to help James. We have to write a program to help the James to find the bus that reaches John home. Sir, input is nothing but a bus number you have to supply as a input. Okay, a bus number you have to supply as a input. Then what we have to print, sir? So whether that bus is going to travel to this particular, but that bus is going to reach to the destination or not, we have to decide. But anyway, to move this, let me go with sir some sample test cases we will observe. From that the problem will become very easy. Yeah, so let me open that. Sir, here you can see, so bus number 12. Sir, is it going to move? No, because sir, bus number 12, it is not a prime number, hence it won't move. Okay, no. 23, yes, this bus is going to move because it is a prime number. Sir, 15, it won't move because it is not a prime number. Like this, it is a something like prime number program only. Sir, please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? If the concept is clear, we can go for implementation, sir. I request everyone to please respond. Is it clear for you? Yes, sir. So let me implement the program in C language. First, I want to implement the program in C language. So let me take C language code. Sir, I am going to take a number. Okay, integer n. So additionally, I required sir I and then f. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Then initially factors is equal to 0. Now I am calculating factors. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If that number is divisible by I, and if it is returning remainder as a 0, means yes, it is the factor. Now, based on this factor, you have to decide. Suppose if a factors is equal to 2, then yes, it is a prime number. Else, it is nothing but not a prime number. So let me run the code, sir. Is it going to work or not? Sir, have a look once. So here we are printing true or false, but the expected answer is yes or no. That's why just a small change here, beyond that nothing. Yes. So submit the code for final approval. You can see here all the remaining test cases also passed, sir. This is nothing but a C language implementation what we have. So let me go for Java implementation. Sir, I want to implement this program by using Java. Okay. Let us implement in Java. Same scenario, right? The application is the same, no change at all. Okay. So we have to change the programming language as Java. So then first step is what? So we have to read the input. For that, I am taking scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of within bracket system.in. Okay. So what is our next requirement, sir? Sir, my next requirement is nothing but integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking, and if is required. So initially factors is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So I am checking whether that n percentage I is equal to 0 or not. If 0, I am incrementing factors plus plus. So finally, okay, if the value of f is double equal to 2, then I want to print the message called yes. Otherwise, I want to print the message called no. Let me run the code. Yes. Sir, some test cases are not working. So for 12, sorry, for 23, sir, 1 minute. Any mistakes are here? Please observe. I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If n percentage I is equal to 0, f plus plus. If f is equal to 2, then yes. 23. Our output is no. Why? Yeah, very good. Sai, excellent. Yeah, Rahul, correct, sir. So f is equal to, initially we have to take 0. I thought that it was a factorial program. Okay. Yeah, now it is working. Second test case also. So this is nothing but how you can implement the program in Java. So I want to implement the same program in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. So I want to solve this problem by using Python. So how you can able to do that? Sir, I am taking n is equal to int of input. Okay. Sir, factors is equal to initially 0. For each I value in the range of 1 to, you have to include the value of n. So if n is divisible by that I means, then factors is equal to factors plus 1. So finally, I want to print the message called yes when if factors is equal to 2. Otherwise, I want to print the message called no. This is nothing but my requirement. Let us run the code. Perfectly it is working, and submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python, sir. Please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts in this program, friends? Clear? One minute, sir. So let me continue, sir. Okay, sir, the next thing what we have here is LBP number 270, sentence making. Okay, LBP number 270. What is this program? Sentence making. The teacher in a school has started to teach the very basic rule for sentence is that it should starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Remember carefully that the sentence is going to starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. If the sentence fails any one of the above mentioned criteria, it is nothing but an incorrect sentence. So make a program to validate whether the given statement is a correct sentence or not. The program should return true or false based on the validity. Okay, sir, you have to validate and you have to return true or false. Okay, I hope you got the problem statement very clearly. Let me see some sample test cases. The program is very simple, sir, not that much difficult. Let me open some sample test cases, then you will get some idea. Yes, you can see here. Sir, is it a sentence or not? Yes, because starting character is uppercase, ending is dot. Yes, it is valid. Sir, take this. Starting is not capital letter, but ending is dot. No, it should not be considered. Like this, we have to write. I think the logic is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends, is the logic is clear? Yes, requesting everyone to respond. Is the logic is clear? Right, sir. Now let me implement this code in C language. Regex, yeah, you can use regex also. Sai Siva Prasad, you can use regex also. But first in C language, we have to apply the basic concept, right? Let me try. So character S of 100 I am taking. Okay, character S of 100 I am taking. I think no need for any other extra variables. But while reading input, make sure that you have to take multi-line string. Okay, then I'm checking the first condition or and second condition. If these two conditions are satisfied, then I have to print the message saying true, sir. If any one of the condition is not satisfied, I have to print the message called false. So what is the first condition? If S of I is greater than or equal to capital A and S of I is less than or equal to capital Z. That means if it is in capital letters, at the same time, sir, S of last character. How to find last character? strlen of S minus 1. If that last character is double equal to dot, then it is nothing but a valid statement, sir. Okay, let me run the code. Sorry, not S of I, S of 0. First character, right? Yeah, Rahul. Yes, perfectly. Both the test cases are satisfied. So this is nothing but what we have. Sir, I want to implement this program by using Java. Okay, I want to implement this program by using Java. Let me go for Java implementation. Okay, so first we will try by using regex concept. Then if not, then we can go for our main approach. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner I am taking within bracket system.in. So what is the next requirement? Sir, string we have to take. String s is equal to, I am taking obj dot next line. Okay. Then directly you can print the result. S dot matches method is there. We have to pass a regular expression. If that sentence is matched with this regular expression, then it is true. So first character can be small capital A to capital Z, anything. Sir, next character can be small a to small z or capital A to capital Z. Okay, or it may have, okay, sir, any special symbols like underscore, okay, anything 0 to 9 digits like that. Like that, you can have any number of things, but finally it should end with the dot. Okay, let me run. Sir, have you observed the first case is failed because here space is there. In this, I didn't included space. Yes, space is also possible. Now, is it working or not? Yes, submit the code. So perfectly working. Sir, same regular expression concept you can use even in Python also. Star means so 0 or more characters. 0 or more characters. So plus means 1 or more characters. 1 or more characters. Okay. So if I am taking, so I have star chocolates are there. Star chocolates are there. Okay. So like that, what is the meaning? I may have 0 chocolates or 1 chocolate or 2 chocolates or 3 chocolates and so on. Suppose if I have plus chocolates, that means what? Compulsory 1 or rest of the things are same, sir. Okay, what is the difference between star and plus? In star, even if the data is not available, it will accept. But in plus, at least one data should be there. Clear? And this is called as mm, I think at least 0 characters. This one is nothing but so at most something like that. 1 minute. Yeah, clear up to this, Rahul and Sai. So let me go for Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Python, we will see now. So same regular expression only we have to use, sir. So import, I am taking RE. Okay. So here S is equal to, we have to take input. Then I'm going to print true when if re dot sir full match of, first you have to take the regular expression. Sir, already regular expression is there. Okay. Then what we have to take, sir, in which area you have to search? In yes. So else I want to print the message saying false. So perfectly working and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied. So any doubts in this program, sir, please confirm. Any doubts up to this, please confirm. Clear, right? Right, sir. Sir, the next one what we have here is 271. Sir, what is this program? Single binary value. Okay, single binary value. Sir, observe carefully. Geeta Singh is trying to create a system to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. Okay, so she is trying to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. So we have to write a program to automate this process. For example, consider the number is nothing but 110. Sir, in 8421 code, if you take sir 8421 code, so by adding, sir, 4 plus 2 plus 1, we are getting this result 7. This value we have to get. Sir, how to get this value? Have you observed? 0 into 2 power 0 you can take, plus sir 1 into 2 power 1 you can take. Okay, plus again 1 into sir 2 power 1, sorry, 2 power 2. 0 into anything will become 0, plus 1 into 2 power 1 you will get 2, plus 2 square is nothing but 4. Sir, what is the result that we are getting? 4 plus 2,
Any mistake? Sorry, 4 plus 2, here 0 is there because we have only these two characters, right? So we will get a 6. So the result what you are going to get is 6. We have to do this process automatically, but anyway in Java and Python we have predefined functions are there, using that we can solve. But in C language we don't have such a type of tools, we have to implement manually. So please confirm, is the concept is clear, sir? Please confirm. If the concept is clear, I will go with implementation. Yes, sir. Let me go with 271 program. Yes, sir. You can see here some sample test cases are there. Sir, I will read the data in the form of integer. Okay, I will read the data in the form of integer. So after that, what we have to do, sir, you need to calculate the result. Okay, let it be sum. Let it be sum. Okay, otherwise let me take res result, or decimal value is equal to 0. So digit also we have to extract. For that d I am taking, while n is not equal to 0, sir, n percentage 10 I am taking. So that what will happen, sir, what is the last digit we are going to get? In the previous example, if you see, what is the last digit? 0, right? That 0 into 2 power 0 we have to take. That 0 I captured. Then decimal value is equal to already available decimal value into, sir, what we have to do, sir, power operator you have to use. It has to take d to the power, maybe let us take I and then I plus plus. So what is the initial value of I? I is nothing but 0. So what will happen, sir? D value, suppose if it is 0, sir, 0, no, 1 minute. So that d into sir 2 power, like this we have to take. Let me convert this power into integer. So what I am doing, sir, first I am calculating power, that I am multiplying with d, the result I am storing in the decimal. How to get next value? N is equal to n by 10. That's all, sir. Finally you can print the value of decimal. Let me run. Is it going to work or not? Yes, perfectly working. And submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, this is nothing but a C language implementation. Okay. Sir, what about Java implementation? How you can able to implement this program in Java? So I want to take Java code, sir. So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of system.in. So first read the data in the form of string. Read the data in the form of string. So then, sir, there is one special class is there with the name integer. So you can take integer dot parseInt of that string yes, comma. Sir, it is in which base? 2 base. 2 base means what? Binary. So it will take that base and then it will convert to decimal. So by default base is always 10. So if you are not providing any base value, it will take 10 as the default base. But here we have to change the base, right? Because the number is not in the decimal format. The number is in which format? The number is in, sir, string format. The two, sir, binary digits are there. That's why I am going to take base as 2. Now submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. Sir, I want to implement this code in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. I'm taking s is equal to input. I think here we can do like this. 0b, okay, plus input. So whatever data you are taking, I am going to append 0b. So if you take eval of this one, automatically it will evaluate, sir. It will evaluate it to decimal value. So that value I am going to print on the screen. I think it should work, but let me check. Yes. So because we know very well in Python, so 0b indicates binary. 0b plus your data. So that the entire thing will become binary. If you apply eval function, what will happen? It will evaluate that value and it will return the data in the form of decimal. Okay, it will return the data in the form of decimal. So please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? Yes, requesting everyone to please respond. How Java code is working? Because in Java there is one wrapper class is there with name integer. So dot parseInt method is there. What is the use of this parseInt method? It will automatically converts the given integer value, sorry, the given string value into integer. So here you have to pass a string as an argument. By default it will convert to which type, sir? It will convert to decimal type only. But input is also in which format? Decimal format. That is, the content in the string should be in decimal format. So if you don't want to take that decimal format, you can take 2, because here in our application the base is nothing but 2. That's why I have taken 2. Clear, Sushant? Sushant, clear? Yeah. Let me go for next program, sir. Sir, something like item ID. Okay, item ID. Sir, what is this program? Observe carefully. A company wishes to bucketize their item ID for better search operations. Okay, so the company is trying to bucketize means, so I hope if you are coming from data structures background, sir, how you can able to search for the data is nothing but by using buckets. Okay, so in hash table, the searching algorithm is implemented based on bucket. We will take one bucket value. Okay, so here the bucket for this item ID is chosen on the basis of maximum value of the digit in the item ID. So in the item ID, sir, you have to take a maximum value that will be considered as item. So we have to write an algorithm, sir, to find the bucket to which the item ID will be assigned. Okay, we have to find the bucket to which the item ID will be assigned. Suppose if the number is 12875 like this, sir, the bucket ID for this is nothing but 8, because 8 is the maximum digit present in this. Sir, it is a very simple program only. I think no need for any explanation also. Okay, let me implement the program. So 272. So have a look once, sir. I'm going to take C language implementation, and here we have to take scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of I am taking system dot in. So next and after that integer n is equal to, okay, sir, obj dot next int I am taking, and integer digit must be required, maximum digit is also required. Sorry. So integer n must be required, and then digit must be required. So next and after that maximum value is also required. So I'm going to read the data from the user. Okay, sir, I'm assigning maximum is equal to 0 while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir. First I will fetch the digit. Suppose if your digit is greater than maximum, then your maximum will become d or not? Yes. Then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Sir, finally we have to print that maximum digit on the screen. That's all. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes. And submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, in C language, sir, I want to implement the same code in Java. Okay, I want to implement the same code in Java. Let me go for Java implementation, sir. How you can able to implement in Java? So scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system dot in. So integer d is equal to, sorry, integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int I am taking, then digit is required. So maximum digit also we have to find. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10. If yeah, maximum value we have to assign in advance. Okay, max is equal to, consider it as 0. So if your digit is greater than max, then your max will become d. Then n is equal to n by 10. So finally, system dot out dot println of, we have to print d, sir. Let me run the code. Sorry, we have to print which value, sir? M. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but a Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to implement in Python? How you can able to implement in Python? I think in Python we can write a single line code. So how to write that single line? Observe carefully. I am going to take, so first input, then sir, int of I for each I value in input. So I am going to frame a list. Then max of list I want to print. Then we have to print that result on the screen. That's all. So first I am getting every character from the given input, sir. I am going to read the input in the form of string. So what benefit we will get one by one character, and I am converting that character into integer, and I am going to store it in a list. Then I applied max function. Inbuilt max function is there, which will return the maximum value among all these digits. Sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, friends? Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Right, sir. Sir, today some full headache is there, so I will continue from tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow log in as usual at 8 o'clock. Okay, yeah, I will update the running notes within few minutes. Okay, yeah, thank you, sir.